Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Ford Explorer key fob battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2450 coin cell battery. Look for a small slot on the side of your key fob. Carefully insert the screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry open the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to damage the internal components. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side faces up. This ensures you install the new battery correctly. Using your small flathead screwdriver, carefully pry the old battery out of its compartment. It should pop out with minimal effort. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damaging the delicate battery contacts. Now, take your new CR2450 coin cell battery. Place it into the compartment, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Gently press the battery down until it clicks securely into place. It's crucial that the battery is seated correctly to ensure proper electrical contact. A quick visual check confirms the correct orientation. With the new battery installed, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Make sure they fit together perfectly, then gently press them until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking the doors, to ensure everything is working correctly. You've successfully replaced the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.